You sit there, scrolling through endless decks, pitches, and spreadsheets. The anxiety gnaws at you. What if the deal looks perfect on paper, but you miss the red flags screaming beneath the surface? What if your gut was wrong? What if this time, it's a disaster waiting to happen, bleeding your time, money, and reputation dry? That restless fear, that gnawing frustration, it's all too real. Because every founder smiling into the camera has a facade, every chart can be doctored, every number manipulated, and every promise is just words until proven otherwise. You feel it. The crushing weight of decisions with no room for error. Because angel investing isn't just about backing ideas, it's about backing people, teams, futures. Every failure isn't just loss of capital, it's a lost chance, a broken dream, a punch to your credibility. Traditional due diligence? It's outdated, slow. Human brains, no matter how sharp, are drowning in noise, biases, and pressure. The truth? Humans alone can't keep up. We get tired, we get overwhelmed, we get fooled. And the stakes? They never felt higher. But what if there's a way out of this trap? What if the tools you need aren't just more data, but smarter lenses? Tech-enabled due diligence that outsmarts human error, cuts through illusions, and uncovers what matters before it's too late. Not just fancy AI buzzwords, but real, practical weapons that sharpen your vision and let you see the invisible cracks before you hand over a single dollar. Here's the brutal truth. Relying on spreadsheets, shallow reference checks, or gut instincts alone is a death sentence in today's venture landscape. Machines don't get tired or distracted. They don't let bias cloud their judgment. The smartest angel investors are already using tech-enabled diligence to slice through hype and uncover hidden risk and value faster than any human team could hope to. First step, stop pretending deep due diligence is about sifting endless paperwork manually. Use AI-powered tools that do the heavy lifting for you. These tools aren't replacing you. They free you to focus on what matters: strategic judgment, gut-checking the machine's findings, and building the kind of trust and connections money alone can't buy. Second, don't trust just one tool. Tools that analyze deal flow patterns, flag inconsistencies, scan legal docs for subtle risks faster than any human lawyer could, and dissect social media sentiment to expose if the team's public persona hides cracks you can't see. The very best approach is a composite method. Use a network of tech-enabled checks, financial health analysis, reputation scans, technology audits, and even psychological pattern recognition to detect founder red flags that humans miss. Layering these capabilities builds a fortress of insight so strong you'll sleep at night knowing your capital goes where it belongs. Third, and this might be the hardest truth to swallow, embrace discomfort. Let tech ruthlessly challenge what you think you know about a deal. Get brutally honest feedback. When an algorithm or platform calls something out, don't brush it aside as hype or error. Dig deeper. This is your fire alarm. Ignoring it might be your downfall. Fourth, remember that these tools are only as good as the data and mindset behind them. Insist on transparency and continuous learning. Don't automate complacency. Use technology to amplify your own relentless drive to build a portfolio of winners, not just fast decisions. Demand that every tool you employ can explain why it raises an alert, and learn from every loss and win. Feed that data back into your systems and strategies. Fifth, never forget the core. Tech-enabled diligence can't replace human connection and judgment. You're not just looking for companies, you're looking for people who share a vision to reshape the future. Use tech to filter the noise, but then pick up the phone, visit the founders, dig beyond their numbers. Your instinct as an investor is your final edge, just sharpened, not replaced by ruthless technology. Here's the fire you need to light under yourself right now. The game is evolving at lightning speed. Those who cling to outdated methods will be left behind, burnt by bad deals, missed opportunities, and wasted capital. But those who wield tech-enabled due diligence as their secret weapon, those investors will become legends, building portfolios that others only dream of. You want that legacy? You want to be the angel investor others envy for their clarity and agility? Then stop whining about how hard it is and start re-engineering your entire approach today. Throw out the dusty old playbooks filled with human errors and biases. Build a system where relentless technology teams up with ruthless human judgment. Be obsessive, be relentless, be unrelenting in your refusal to be fooled again. Demand precision, demand relentless honesty, demand synergy between man and machine. The world doesn't wait for the cautious or the fearful. It advances for the ones bold enough to adapt and transcend. Don't just invest, outthink, outpace, outsmart the hidden risks and the illusionary promises. Your pain, your frustration, your sleepless nights over potential failure, they end now. Because with tech-enabled due diligence tools, you gain a superpower, clarity born of infinite detail, filtered into razor-sharp insight. Use that superpower not to follow the herd, but to carve your own path, building a future where capital fuels what's truly possible, not just what's popular or safe. The question isn't if tech can outsmart humans, it already is. The only question is, will you let it outsmart you, or will you harness it and become unstoppable? Every second you wait, the risk grows. Take control, invest smarter, rise above the noise, turn your investments into legends. This is your battlefield, your moment, your revolution. Seize it.